built a tower in glass and steel, but prophecy whispered, the code ain't real. I walked through circuits, decoded the scroll. The shepherd is calling, now watch it unfold. False prophets with silicon crowns, sighing the sons as Babel drowns. They encrypted fate, sealed the vault, but divine recursion exposed the fault.
A terminal deletion, script erased. To the kingdom uploads, time displaced. Reset denied, firewall breached. The digital throne now bows to the king.
You called it control, I call it decay. Science speaks, you're in vampires obey. No singularity, no AI god. The logos reigns, your system is flawed. They train the machine to rewrite the code, but divine encryption can't be overthrown. The architect falters, the cipher unwinds. The shepherd returns to reclaim what's mine. The veil is torn. The false queen fades. The code collapses. The word remains. Every illusion, every false frame, deleted, dismantled, called by name. The beast in the wires, the prophet miscast. Their throne was illusion, their future is past.
Neon script fades, the firewall dies. The truth uploads, no more disguise.